Hey guys, Amir here from Boyke, USA. Today we have a 1992 Suzuki Carry 4-wheel drive with high-low transfer case, axle lock, and 4-speed manual transmission. So let me go over the truck. I'll show you what the exterior condition is, and I'll show you the inside, and I'll try to drive it, see how the clutch and everything else feels. Starting off with the roof, looks pretty clean, no dents. Bumper looks like it's been touched up. On both corners where the door dings and scratches covered up with the white paint. But glass is good. Passenger door is looking good. There's a dent right over here. Folding sides have the touch-up paint all around it. No paint on the chassis. It's clean. No overcoating on it. Bed is in good shape. Just some surface scratches and surface rusty spots. Overall in great condition. Sides fold down, of course. And again, as I said, chassis is in the best of the best condition for a 25 or 27 years old truck. So this is how it looks on the outside. Show you the interior. Driver door is good. Window works perfectly. Driver's seat, of course, as usual. It has a couple of tiers. This is your high-low transfer case. 4-speed manual plus a reverse. Headliner is in great shape. Of course, it's too dark in here. $62,401 kilometers. It's about 42,000 miles. And let's start it up. The axle light stays on for some reason. It's not turning off, so it seems like it stays on all the time. And lift this up, go into 4-wheel drive. Heat and fan both work perfectly. Outside, we'll try driving it. This thing off of the two-wheel. This thing off. I have to back out of here. Tight. lift this up. We can go actually the low gear. Show you what the difference is in low. And it's pretty fast. Torquey. That's the low gear. And let's do in the 4x4 high. Difference. So here's the difference. We'll try to go into two-wheel drive up. See the difference how it goes up in two-wheel. It'll still go, but let's see in four-wheel drive difference. Oh yes, works perfect. Alright, the truck is in great shape, ready for sale. Available on our website. Check it out, boykeusa.com. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thank you for watching.